Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I am super elated to have you here. So today I share with you how I make this beautiful 2-in-1 beaded headband, Crinoline Fascinator and beaded headband. Super easy and beautiful to make. All you need to do is watch this video to the end, give this video a thumb up, and let's dive into today's tutorial. Thank you so much. Materials needed. So now I have my needle and my fire line. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to knot the edge of my fire line as much as possible, so as to force something that is called a stopper. Okay. So this is what I am talking about, as you can see. So we are now going to start our beading on the headband. Okay, so now I'm starting from this point. I'm going to leave some space like an inch. Okay, so I'm going to leave like an inch right there. So I'll pass my needle from the middle part like so to the side. Okay, now back again, just to make sure we secure the line. I'll work it back again out like so. Okay, now I'm going to cut this part, the excess line, and this is what we have. Okay, so I'm leaving this space, okay, because of the hair part, so it won't hurt us when we use it. Okay, so keep watching guys. Please, as you're watching, kindly give this video a thumb up, subscribe if you are new to the channel. You're highly welcome. Okay, so now I pick one crystal bead and one seed bead, and I'm going to pull it down. After pulling it down, this is what we have. So at this point, I'm going to skip the seed bead and walk my needle through the crystal bead, then pass my needle through the headband to the next space very close to the crystal bead. So that is how we are going to arrange. Okay, you arrange it to the next side like so, and I will pull it. So after pulling, this is what we have. Okay, so I'll repeat the same process. I pick one crystal bead and one seed bead, and I'm going to pull it down. After pulling it down, I'll skip the seed bead and pass my needle through the crystal bead like so, and then pass my needle to the next space. We arrange it like so. Okay, and pull. After pulling, this is what we have. Okay, I pick one crystal, one seed bead, then I'll pull it down. Then I'll skip the seed bead and pass my needle through the crystal bead, then back to the next space, how you want to arrange it. Okay, so this is what we have guys. Okay, so we continue this same process. We continue to arrange it with the same process. Okay, I pick one crystal, one seed bead, pull it down. Now I'm going to skip the seed bead and pass my needle through the crystal bead, then to the next available space. Okay, like so, and pull. and this is what we have. I hope you can see it. So continue this same process until we get to a point. Okay, so I'll continue this same process, keep arranging it the way you want it to be until we get to somewhere right here. Okay, somewhere right here, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so guys, this is what we have. I have bead to this point. As you can see, we have the space, this space left. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to fix my crinoline. Okay, to fix my flower, as you can see at this point. Okay, so now just keep watching. We are going to fix it right now. So I'll pass my needle from down to the top. Okay, so lovelies, I have a video of how I make this crinoline flower. You can check my previous video on how to achieve this very easy method. Okay, so I'm going to put the link in the description box so you can check it out on how to make this crinoline flower. It is super easy to make. Okay, so guys, keep watching. Please do well to give this video a thumb up. Subscribe if you are new to my channel and you love what we do here. Okay, thank you so much and keep watching. So guys, I'm done fixing it and this is what we have. Okay, I'll pass my needle down, then hold it with the headband like so. Okay, and then I'm going to find my way and knot it a little before I continue to bead. Okay, so that we can secure it properly. So I'll knot it like so. So this is what we have. Okay, this is what we have. Okay, so now I'm going to fill the space. Okay, I'll fill this space, and then this space I'll fill it. All right, so I pick one crystal, one seed bead. I'll skip the seed bead and pass my needle through the crystal bead. Okay, one crystal, one seed bead. I'll pull it down and I'll skip the seed bead and pass my needle through the crystal bead like so. So this is it, guys. This is what we have. So from this point, I'm going to continue my beading until I get to this point. Okay, same process. All right, so guys, as you can see on the screen, have beaded to this point. Okay, so we have this, so I'm going to add just more until we have the same level with this piece. Okay, so guys, this is the last bead I will be picking. All right, so I'm stopping here. And that is it. I pass my needle through, and this is what we have. Okay, so this is what we have. Now I'm just going to secure my fire line. To do that, I'll pass my needle through the headband just like so until I move out in the other part like so. I'm just going to work it through like that, to some points. Okay, just going to work it like so. I'm sorry, my needle is small. All right, manage with me. So I'm going to just walk through the beads. So lovely. I will now just find my way and knot a little. So I form a loop in the side like so, and then I pass my needle through it and then knot it. So that is how I knot. I repeat it one more time. Pass my needle through the headband, okay, the Alice band, all right. Then I form my loop, pass my needle back into the loop, and then pull it. That is just it. You knot it, and after knotting, you still work your needle or fire line through the beads like so. Just work it to secure the line, all right. Secure it. Okay, still work it through. And at this point now, I'm going to cut the fire line, right? Just cut it. Bam. So lovelies, this is what we have, all right? So at this point, we are going to place our rose flower right here. We're going to place it here. So to do that, so I'm going to place my hot glue gum right in the middle here. Once I am done, carefully remove it so it doesn't mess the flower. Then I'll place my rose flower on it like so. Okay, I just press it down. I press it down and hold it for a few minutes. So guys, this is what we have, and we are done making our beautiful Fascinator beaded headband. This is so nice, 2-in-1. So guys, if you love this video, please do well to hit the like button and subscribe. Subscription is free, and turn on the post notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.